Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about Saturn in Leo. So this is continuing with my Saturn Signs series. You can check out the rest of the videos in my playlist called Saturn Signs. So today I'm going to be talking about Saturn in Leo. So what happens when the planet of restrictions, delays, authority is in the fiery, playful sign of Leo. So before I get started with the rest of the video, I wanted to let you guys know that I do natal chart readings. So I look at your birth chart, I look at all the different houses, planets and aspects, and I tell you what kind of challenges you might be facing, and I give you an action plan that you can use to overcome these challenges in your life. I also do relationship compatibility readings, also called synastry chart readings. So if you have a crush on someone, if you're already in a relationship and you want to know what the relationship is going to be like, you can contact for a synastry chart reading. And I also do tarot card readings. So you can contact me related to any aspect of your life. It can be your career, your finances, health, relationships, basically any aspect of your life, and I'll do a tarot card reading for you as well. Okay, so let's get started. And if you want to get in touch with me for the reading, you can contact me on my Facebook page, facebook.com/venusianscorp. You can also drop me an email at astroluck111@gmail.com and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Both the links are in the description box below, so be sure to contact me. Okay, so let's talk about Saturn in Leo. So Saturn is the planet of restrictions. It's a slow-moving planet. So it is about restrictions. Saturn is about delays. It's about learning your life lessons. And usually these life lessons are not learned until you are in your mid-30s or late 30s or in your early 40s. That's when you really start seeing the person evolve and learn their Saturnian lessons in this life. Leo is a fire sign. It rules the fifth house, which has to do with hobbies, which has to do with recreation, leisure. It also has to do with children. Leo is ruled by the sun in terms of the planets. So the Leo is ruled by the sun, and its symbol is the lion. And Leo is a fixed sign. It's a fixed fire sign. So when you have Saturn in the sign of Leo, you may feel like your playfulness is a little bit stifled. You may feel like when it comes to pursuing your hobbies, when it comes to indulging in your leisure or doing things that you love doing, because the fifth house is a fun house. It's about fun activities, things that make us happy, things that make us feel childlike. Leo is very childlike energy. It's ruled by the sun, which has to do with the ego, the sense of self. So sometimes you may feel like you may not know who you are as a person, like you may struggle to identify who you are as a person. Your identity, your sense of self, that may be very difficult for you to figure out till you are sort of crossing your mid-30s or your early 40s. That's when you really start coming into your own and figuring out, okay, this is who I am as a person, this is what I relate to. So you may be a bit of a late bloomer in that department. When it comes to your hobbies, when it comes to pursuing things that you love, you may always feel like you never have time to do the things that you love. You may always feel like whenever you try to do something fun, something recreational, there's always some work or some responsibility that comes up in the way and keeps you from doing these things. So you may find that you find it difficult to take time out to do fun activities. Or the flip side is, even if you do have time to do these activities, you may feel like you may actually look at fun activities and hobbies or recreation as something silly, as something childlike, because Saturn represents the father figure, and the father figure in the traditional sense is this authority person who tells you that you can't do this, you can't do this, and they have rules and restrictions in place. So you may often feel like your childlike state is not able to come out. You can't have fun in life. You can't just let go and just be sometimes silly about things. You find that if you try to do that, there is this inner voice that keeps telling you that no, this is silly, you shouldn't be doing this, you should be focusing on earning more money, or being a responsible adult. So a lot of times you may feel like that inner child is waiting to come out, but you can't because of all these restrictions that you may have imposed on your own self. Fifth house also has to do with children. So because you have Saturn in Leo, there may be chances that when it comes to having children in your life, having your own children or something like that, there may be some delays around it. So if you are a woman, then you may find that you become a mother very late in life, or you may find that or you may feel like you may actually also feel that having children is not your thing. So for a long time you may postpone having children, and you may do that once you are in your mid 30s or in your early 40s, because that's when you really start realizing the fifth house, which is also about children, and you may feel like you want to become a mother. For men with displacement who don't have children, you may not feel that fatherly instinct until quite late in life. When you're in your mid 30s, your 40s, then you may feel like, okay, I really need to have progeny, I really need to have descendants, I need to have children, and that's when it starts kicking in. So like I said, a lot of the Saturnian lessons start getting realized once you're in your mid 30s or in your early 40s. Till then you sort of keep struggling with these Saturnian issues, depending on where Saturn is in your chart, which sign, which house, and so many other things. Of course, it depends on the whole chart, like I always say in my videos, but this video is just about the Saturn and Leo placement in isolation. So Saturn and Leo, the symbol of Leo is the lion, and because Leo is ruled by the sun, which has to do with the ego and attention, you may be starved for attention a lot of your life. Like you may feel like no matter how much you try, people don't really give you credit for the things that you do, or people don't really pay attention to you. People don't really fan your ego as much as you'd like, and you always feel like you're in the shadows, because Saturn is like this heavy cloud that obstructs whatever it is sitting in. So if it's in Leo is the sun, and then you've got Saturn, which is sort of clouding the sun rays, the energy, the brilliance and radiance of Leo energy. So you may often feel like you may do a lot of things for people around you, like your friends, your family, and whoever, but you feel like they don't appreciate you enough, they don't give you enough attention. So for a long part of your life, you may feel like you may feel stifled, you may feel like you're starved of attention, and you haven't got enough of it for a long time. And usually it's about giving yourself that attention first, because people only reflect what you give off, the energy you give off. So this is mainly about feeding yourself, which is the shadow side of Capricorn, Saturn, which is Cancer. So it's about nurturing yourself, it's about giving yourself that energy, attention and time to maybe do the things that you love, pursue your hobbies, be a little bit of a child, not look at it as something silly. When you start doing that, then you will start reflecting that brilliance of Leo, that's the sun rays that Leo stands for. And then people will start gravitating to you, they'll be starting to give you more attention that you really crave in this life. So guys, that's a little bit about Saturn and Leo. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, you can subscribe to my channel. You can click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of this video, as well as the bell icon next to the subscribe button, so that whenever I post a new video, you get a notification in your inbox and you can stay tuned for all of my latest updates. So that's it for today, guys. My next video is going to be Saturn in Virgo, so stay tuned for that one. Thanks a lot, guys.